Good morning. Hi, all my dear friends, students. It's been an year and a half that we have been going through these times, the pandemic time. We see pain and tears everywhere. All have one question: how long? How long? Losing many in the family, losing jobs, can't work, no money. The list goes on. How difficult it is. Now, I'll tell you a story. Let's hear this. It's really interesting and the need of the time. Long, long ago, there was a king and he was very powerful. He had many elephants in his team. One of them was very, very powerful elephant. The elephant was very obedient and also very skillful. And especially his fighting skills were well appreciated. In many battles he fought, the elephant would bring only victory and he would return only after being victorious. He was the most loved among all others because of his nature too. Years passed and the elephant was getting old and was not sent to the battlefield. But he was still part of the king's team because the king loved him a lot and seeing him made the king happy. One day, this elephant was walking towards the bank of a lake to drink water. Suddenly, he got stuck in the mud badly. He tried a lot, but he couldn't pull himself out of the mud. People who saw this and heard the scream of the elephant understood that he was in real trouble and was sinking into the mud. The news reached the king. There was panic because everybody knew that it was the king's favorite. The king rushed to the spot and all other people gathered around. All tried to pull the elephant out of the mud, but was no way because it was not a small animal, it was an elephant. At that time, an old man from the crowd walked towards the king and he suggested, "Play the battle drums around the lake." Everybody started laughing at this suggestion. The king thought for a moment and ordered the drums to be played. As the drums started beating, everybody noticed a change in the eyes of the elephant. It slowly stood up of the mud on his own. Everybody who witnessed this was shocked. There wasn't the lack of physical ability in the elephant, just the need to infuse enthusiasm within was required, and it was done. To maintain enthusiasm in life, it is necessary that humans maintain a purposeful thinking and mindset. Do not let despair dominate. In today's challenging time, we all need to infuse enthusiasm in ourselves and among people around us. By playing these drums, we should be able to infuse energy in the disappointed minds. Stop hearing all the worst happenings only. There are good things which are happening, like the thing of help and recovery happening around us. Be optimistic. Do not hear the drum beats to wage a war alone. And instead, let's all hear the drum beats of victory. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in our heart, we do believe we shall overcome someday.